name is Christicia Inamia Espiritu, and I will be discussing about the Gaussian elimination method. Gaussian elimination method is also called row reduction method. It is an algorithm that is used for solving systems of linear equations. It uses a sequence of row elementary operations to modify the matrix. So, we'll have an example. We have an equation number 1, equation 2, and equation 3. For equation number 1, we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 12, 3x1 plus 7x2 plus 3x3 is equals to 24. And for equation number 3, we have 4x1 plus 9x2 minus 8x3 is equals to 45. We'll now equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. So, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 12. And equation number 2, which is 3x1 plus 7x2 plus 3x3 is equals to 24. In order to eliminate other values of x, we can think of a number that we will multiply in this equation to eliminate values of x. So, we can use 3 to multiply in equation number 1, which will be equals to 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 is equals to 36. And for equation number 2, it will be the same, 3x1, 7x2 plus 3x3 is equals to 24. In this elimination, we can use an addition or subtraction method. But in this one, I will use a subtraction method. So, equation number 2 will become negative 3, negative 7, negative 3. So, 3 plus negative 3x1 equals to 0. So, we can cancel out that and this one too. So, 3 plus negative 7x2 is equals to negative 4x2 is equals to 36 plus negative 24 will be equal to 12. So, cancel out negative 4. We'll have x2 is equals to negative 3. And we can use this value of x2 to other equations. So, x2, substitute to equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 12. The value of x2, which is equals to negative 3, so x1 plus negative 3 plus x3 is equals to 12. So transpose this one to the other side of the equation. So x1 plus x3 is equals to 12. And we can now transpose one of the values of x to the other side of the equation. So 12 minus x1. And this will be our equation number 4. So after that, we can also use that x of 3 in another equation. So next, substitute x2 and x3 to equation number 3, which is 4x1 plus 9x2 minus 8x3 is equals to 45. So the value of x2, which is negative 3, and the value of x3, which is 12 minus x1. And then, 15 minus x1, and then 4x1, 9 times negative 3, minus 8 times the value of x3, which is 15 minus x1, equals to 45. So it will be 4x1 plus 9 times negative 3 is negative 27, then 8 times 15, which is 120. Negative 8 times negative x1 will be equal to positive 8x1 equals to 45. After that, you can combine this one, which is equals to negative 147, and then combine the values of x, which is 12x1 equals to 45. Transpose this one to the other side of the equation, it will be 12x1 equals to 45 plus 147 will be equal to 192. All over 12 is equals to x1 will be equal to 16. We now have a value for x1 and x2, so we can now get the value of x3 by substituting those values to the other equations. Substitute the value of x1 and x2 in our fourth equation, which is x3 is equals to 15 minus x1, and then x3 is equals to 15 minus x1, which is equals to 16. So x3 will now be equal to negative 1. After that, we all have the values of x, which is x2, which will be equal to negative 3. x1 is equals to 16. So that's all about Gauss elimination method. Thank you for watching.